up, YouTube? Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. Guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps us YouTubers out. I'm on my way over to Hornbuckle Auto Detailing. He's taking delivery of a 2019 Porsche GT3 RS, I believe is what it is. It's a lizard green. Really sharp car. They're going to be doing an xpel self-healing clear coat on it, which you see in one of my previous videos where I had Matt actually was demonstrating on his personal car. Well, guys, until we get there, see you in the rest of this video. All right, I'm over here at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing. I'm out here in the rain. I'm moving some cars around. Got some stuff going on. We got a Demon. We got the Demon right here. We got the Audi. We got the Cobra, Charger, and Matt's Hellcat there. Getting ready to unload this 2019 Porsche GT3 RS, lizard green. Beautiful car, guys. Can't wait to show it to you. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. There she is. She's beautiful. Look at this. I mean, this daggum brake caliper, that's like 18 inches. Golly. That's what she said.
Careful with my car there, man. Wow, look at that thing. Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
It's just so stinking wide. It's almost bigger than the ramps.
That's as wide as they go.
Yeah. Guys, look at the girth of this car. It is as big as the daggum ramps. Golly. Go that way just a little bit if you can. He's good. Now start straightening out. She is beautiful. Raise it up. Can you raise it up? Slow. You got it. And this is a beautiful car. Oh, look at this. Oh, it doesn't? Look at the stitching, guys. I mean, it just matches the car, the carbon fiber. Oh my goodness, look at this. Got your cloth door handle here. Alcantara seats. Look at that. That's the track. Look at that. That's the track. Oh man. The steering wheel. Look at this Alcantara steering wheel, guys, with the stitching in it. This is incredible. Man, just nice. Man, guys, 2019 Porsche GT3 RS. This car is beautiful. Look at these seats, man. It's got the track on it here with the look at Matt out here. Woo! Guys, just took delivery of this car. It is amazing. All the smell, the Alcantara steering wheel, and just, oh, look at this. There it is, 911 GT3 RS. Look at all this carbon fiber and stuff on this dash. This is just a beautiful car. Beautiful car. See the width of this wing. That thing is like 5 foot wide. It is incredible. I mean, guys, this car is beautiful. Man, guys, what do y'all think about that car? Just finished up over here at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing with the 2019 Porsche GT3 RS. Beautiful, beautiful spec. I love that lizard green. That is just an amazing color. Sorry about that. That was my radar detector. Hey, I appreciate you watching the videos. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Give me a subscribe down below. Really appreciate it. I'll put a link to Hornbuckle Auto Detailing down below in the video. But until the next video, I look forward to you riding with us. Dum